Hey Glams, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz Glams here, back with another video. In today's video, this is going to be a hair review / how-to tutorial on my new Diamond Dynasty full lace wig 30-inch natural wave. Thanks for tuning into today's video, and if you're new to my channel, hit the thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. This is my very first purchase with Diamond Dynasty Hair Company. I've heard a lot of great things about the hair itself and the brand, and just would love to share my experience with you. I pretty much pulled it straight out the box. Like I said, it is 30 inches. With shipping, the unit was $515. There is like lace all the way around. Front and back, it has combs. Now I got a size small in this wig cap, but it seems like it's like a large. It's not a small. It does have the bands in it and the combs, so you are able to, I guess, adjust it however, or you can add the elastic band like how I did in my last video. I added the band from side to side. This is the hair. This is the wave pattern. It's very nice. What I did notice instantly after taking it out of the box is that this is supposed to be 30 inches. Okay, I paid for 30 inches. And I instantly noticed that there is a difference in lengths throughout the hair. That's something I really don't like. Straight out the box, I noticed that there's the difference in layers with the hair. From the top down, I noticed that it stops midway through. The hairline and all of that is slightly plucked. It does need to be plucked. Just a little bit. Yeah, this is what it's giving. So one thing I'm definitely not liking about this that I already see as I'm putting on the unit is it seems like right here, like right up in here, the way that they constructed the cap, it looks very, like it almost looks like, I don't know what is going on. Like this is just not okay. So I know I don't like that. Like I don't know why that's even like showing like that. That looks crazy. You see that? What's going on? What's going on? So I actually decided that I would take the unit off and pluck through the unit. The hair was just way too thick for my liking, so it would look a lot more natural if I went through and plucked through. So here I'm just showing you that I'm taking more hair out of the part and just making it overall lighter and more of a natural look. So this is pretty much how the unit looks after I went through and I plucked it. It really made a big difference. You can't tell right here, but you'll see once it's on. So here I'm applying my wig grip. I bought this on Amazon for $10. It basically just helps to keep the wig secure. Here I'm using a pomade wax stick. This is from a different hair company called Love Me Hair. I love this wax stick. It basically just helps to smooth out any type of flyaway hairs and give a nice smooth look to like the hairline area and any type of flyaways. So with the hot comb, I'm just pressing and smoothing out the hairline and the parting area. Make sure you're pressing the comb back away from the hairline so that it gives the illusion that the hair is just growing out of the scalp. As always, use alcohol to wipe away any dirt, oil, or makeup right before you apply any adhesive. Diamond Dynasty Natural Wave full lace wig unit. Installed by me, of course. Customized by me because again, it did not come customized, so I did have to customize it to my liking. I had to pluck it, curl it, you know, place the part where I needed to because it didn't come with a part at all, so I did do a middle part. And yes, this is how the hair looks right now. It curled very beautifully. It's very bouncy, very flowy. As you can see, hair is very nice. However, overall, I do like the hair, besides the small things with the units that I did come into contact with while I was actually applying it, which was, you know, that area up there we're not going to talk about. Cover that up. Hair is very nice. I will have to maybe do a different video or later review once I actually wear the hair and see how I like it for wearing time. Overall, it's very nice. It curls nice. It's very minimal shedding. The unit itself is nice. I like it. Overall, I'm happy, but I do think that it was an average. It is an average buy. I will say it's an average buy. I do think that most times you are paying for the name itself, or you're paying for the name behind the brand, paying for the celebrity that's sponsoring the brand. You're paying for that name. So overall, I do feel like it is nice hair. However, I do think it is just an average buy. And again, I will come back with a later on review or update just to give you, you know, the overall full scope of the review of how I feel about the hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and like this video if you learned something new, or if you like something, or if you just like the video in general. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.